Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome to another grocery haul video. I have an unplanned Publix haul for you today. If you're new to my channel, I follow the Weight Watchers program, so when I do my hauls, I give the Weight Watcher points, but I also try to give the calories as well. Just a small grocery haul this week. I actually spent less than $100 on this, so I'm just gonna go through real quick and share with you what I got. So down here, I got a couple of things of Hearty Harvest salads. They had these on sale this week. I think they were like 2 for $6 in my store. And then I got a couple of things of peppers. I'm thinking of using these for meal prep this upcoming week. And I grabbed an oven roasted chicken breast just because I have not eaten lunch yet today and I was hungry there, and I know that this is the best thing for me when I'm hungry. I actually did a really good workout this morning, so I really want to get some extra protein in anyway. But I honestly have really been enjoying, I like to pick these up once in a while and just keep it in my fridge. And then if I throw together a salad, I can put a little bit of it in the salad, or you can always mix and match chicken, honestly, with anything. So for this chicken, I usually eat the chicken breast and then my husband eats the rest of it. So I count the chicken breast as 0. I got some diced hash brown potatoes. These are 2 points or 60 calories for 2/3 of a cup. I really wanted the O'Brien potatoes that have like the onions and peppers in them, but they didn't have that. And I wanted those for a recipe, so I'll probably have to just cut up my own onions and peppers for the recipe. I also got a big thing of kale. I don't like to eat kale by itself, but I do like it in recipes. I also got a thing of green onions, or as some people call them, scallions. I also got an English cucumber, some baby Bella mushrooms, a red onion, a couple things of chopped spinach. They had these on BOGO this week, so I got a couple things of those, a thing of zucchini, some romaine hearts, and then I got a couple things of cheese. I honestly used to hate any kind of fat-free cheese. I didn't care for it at all. It just kind of tasted like, I don't know, rubber, cardboard, something. But this fat-free mozzarella that's shredded, I actually don't mind this. I like it just with a little bit mixed in a salad. So I've just been having this in my fridge and just kind of using it to sprinkle on some recipes. You can have half a cup of that for 1 point, or you can actually have 20 grams of it for 0. And the calories on this are 45 calories for a 1/4 cup. And then I got some 2% milk Mexican. This kind is 3 points for a 1/4 cup, or 80 calories. And of course the vegetables that I've shared are 0 points, and as far as calories, I don't give that because it's very minimal and just depends on how much you have of it. And then y'all know I can't go to Publix without getting my favorite Good Culture cottage cheese. Pretty much have this every single day. I usually have this with some berries, like maybe after a workout, or sometimes this will be like my nighttime, something I have for a nighttime snack before I go to bed. This is 2 points for half a cup and 80 calories for half a cup. And then they also have these ones that are actually still 2 points, but these ones are 120 calories because they have a little bit more in it. So this one for this container has 19 grams of protein, and then for this one for the half a cup it has 14 grams of protein. I also got a couple of things of Barilla Protein Plus Angel Hair. For this, it's 5 points for 2 ounces. And if you're counting calories, it has 190 calories. And for those tracking protein, this kind has 10 grams of protein in the 2-ounce serving. I also got a thing of 1/3 less fat cream cheese. That is 4 points for 1 ounce, or 70 calories. I got some black beans, some white shoe peg corn. I also got some manwich down there. You can have 1/3 of a cup for 2 points. I forget what the calories, I think it was like 35, yeah, 35 calories for a 1/4 cup. And then I also got, I forgot to scan this, some homestyle pork gravy. I'm pretty sure this is 1 point for the 1/4 cup. It's only 20 calories for a 1/4 cup. And I also got some pork tenderloin here. This is the lemon garlic kind, and you can have 4 ounces for 3 points. And for calories, it's 130 calories. And then I also got some of the Oikos 000 yogurt. I haven't had this kind. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this kind before. They had these BOGO, and also the Dan and Light and Fit singles were BOGO. This one has a little bit more protein in it, So I'm going to try this and see how I like them compared to the Light and Fit and the Chobani. The Chobani yogurt is only 1 point, but I actually don't care for the flavor of that kind as much as I do the Dannon Light and Fit. So I'm anxious to give this one a try. And the flavors I got are mixed berry, strawberry, and I think like a banana cream. Yeah, banana cream. And so I usually do the same thing with those as I do the cottage cheese. I usually just maybe mix them with some berries, maybe throw in a handful of oats or a handful of like a whole grain cereal or granola or something, just for a little bit of crunch. I also got a thing of unsweetened almond milk. For this, it's 2/3 of a cup for 0, and then for 1 cup is 1 point, but I actually toggled it and you can have 2 cups for 1 point. And then the calories on this, 30 calories per cup. And then I got some bananas, I got some blueberries, and also some of the, I haven't gotten these in a while, the Smart Carb Pockets. These are only 1 point for the pocket, and, well, I guess you can't really see the size, but they're like that. There we go. So there's like 2 sections in here. So that one all the way across. They're really good. 1 point for each one and 90 calories. So that's it for my little Publix haul this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.